Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm the next discussant. So my name is Romy Manada Malinaw. So I'm going to discuss the 10 essential public health services. So to protect and promote the health of all people in all communities, the 10 essential health services provide a framework for public health and protect and promote the health of all people in all communities. So to achieve optimal health for all, the essential public health services actively promote uh, policies, systems, and services that enable good health and seek to remove obstacles and systemic and structural barriers such as poverty, racism, gender discrimination, and other forms of oppression that have resulted in health inequities. Then everyone should have a fair and just opportunity to achieve good health and well-being. So these 10 public health services, gumawa sila ng mga services na magpo-provide para malabanan or mabigyan solusyon kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin at kung ano yung mga nagiging problema mapa-school man or mapa-school and then sa community. So first, meron tayo ditong inequity, nahati siya sa tatlo, which is the assurance, assessment, and then policy development. So let's proceed to the first one. So the first one is assess and monitor population health status factors and that influence health and community needs and assets. So, 'di ba yung mga government is minsan monthly or twice a year na pumupunta sila sa mga community to para mag-monitor kung ano yung mga kalagayan ng mga tao. And then may mga services sila na binibigay. May mga services silang ginagawa para mas mapa-improve yung health and then yung community. So, next is number 2. Investigate, diagnose, and address health problems and hazard affecting the population. So, kagaya ng sa number 1. So, sa number 1, sila, assess and monitor. So, the number 2 is nagkakaroon sila ng investigation. Kumbaga, dito tinatanong nila kung ano yung mga kailangan, kung ano yung mga naging problema sa health, sa community, kung ano ba yung madalas nilang maranasan, kumbaga. Then kung tinatanong sila kung ano yon kasi gusto nila bigyan ng solusyon para syempre mapaayos yung buhay ng community. So number 3 is communicate effectively to inform and educate people about health factors that influence it and how to improve it. So dito naman sa number 3, may mga agency or may mga katulong ang barangay para magkaroon ng communication sa population. For example, yung DOH, nakikipag-communicate sila sa barangay captain and mga kagawad para ipunin yung mga members or ipunin yung mga tao sa barangay para syempre magkaroon ng mas maayos na communication. Then may mga orientation silang ginagawa, may mga activities na makakatulong para ma-educate and then ma-improve yung buhay ng mga tao. So number 4, strengthen, support, and mobilize communities and partnership to improve health. So dito naman sa number 4, kung sa number 3 is nag-communicate sila. Sa number 4 naman, andito na rin yung mga agencies na tumutulong sa barangay para mas mapaayos yung community, then yung mapa-improve yung health, mapa-improve din yung partnership ng mga agencies and then ng community. So, for example, ano ba ang mga agencies na pwedeng, ano, kunwari, DSWD. So, may mga program din silang binibigay. DOH, may mga binibigay silang um, tips and advice. Minsan may mga binibigay silang gamot para mga free na mga libreng gamot para sa mga tao. Then number 5, create, champion, and implement policies, plans, and laws that impact health. So, sa number 5 naman, so, isa sa goal ng public health services is to um, maisaayos yung maisaayos yung community, yung health ng community, pati na rin yung status nila. Next is number 6, so utilize legal and regulatory action designed to improve and protect the public's health. So, this statement is suggest using law and regulation to enhance and safeguard public health. It means legal measures like creating new laws, paggawa ng mga bagong law para mas mapa-improve yung mga policy, then buhay ng community, then or enforcing existing ones to improve better health outcomes for the community. So parang ano lang ginagawa lang nito is for example, yung sa basura, pagtapon ng basurahan sa maayos na basurahan, dahil doon may benefits na makukuha yung mga tao. Syempre, mas magiging malinis yung kapaligiran. The next, number 7, is assure an effective system that enables equitable access to the individual services and care needed to be healthy. So, ano ngayon? So, this statement emphasizes establishing a system that ensures fair and equal access to the necessary healthcare services for everyone. So, hindi lang siya dapat sa isang tao na ganito. Dapat, kumbaga, lahat ng nandun sa area na yun is kabilang sila sa makaka-benefits ng services na yun. And then, for everyone to maintain health. So it's about creating structures and policies that remove barriers and provide opportunities for all individuals to receive the care they require. So, yun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, dapat lahat kayo is makakaroon ng benefit sa gagawing healthcare services na. So next, number 9 is to improve and innovate public health function through ongoing evaluation, research, and continuous quality improvement. So this statement naman highlights the importance of enhancing and modernizing public health operations by continually assessing, researching, and refining them. So it means dapat tuloy-tuloy yung pag-evaluate ng kung gaano ba ka-effective yung pag-implement ng public health initiatives, then public health services. So, by conducting research to identify new methods or technologies and continuously striving to improve the quality of services provided to the community. So the last is number 10. Number 10. So build and maintain a strong organizational infrastructure for public health. So dito naman this involves establishing and upholding a robust framework within the public health organization to support their operation effectively. So partnership sa mga agencies, kagaya ng mga na-mention ko kanina. Then it includes having clear governance structure, adequate resources, efficient communication channels, and reliable system in in place to carry out public health initiatives. So, kumbaga, kailangan magkaroon sila ng connection sa iba't ibang government sector para mas maayos na ma-implement yung public health service na gusto nilang maiparating sa community. So then, respond to emergencies and address community health needs efficiently and sustainably. So, dapat dapat yung mga resources nila is always maaasahan, then always maaasahan at so yun lang po sa report ko. So hope you learn. So that's all, thank you.